This is a mural going to a Mesoamerican cemetery near Alvera Street in downtown Los Angeles. And today I just want to show you a few behind the scenes how we get it done. This mural is a traditional folk Mexican artwork. The mural consists of 6,000 pieces of 3x3 tile. We offer the customer our traditional dry line method. They wanted more of our Silk Road, which is more or less a pure screened on print that gets the project done on time and on budget. Because of the handcrafted nature of the tile, each tile had to be rectified, which means we had to make sure each tile was exactly the same size so it can enter the jig or the grid equally, because normally a 3x3 studio tile will naturally have larger and smaller sizes due to the traditional production practices. So each piece first was glazed with a white glaze. Before firing it, we're then applying a pink glaze. After the pattern is screened onto the tile, it still requires a pretty intensive touch-ups. Time is of the essence, but so is quality. Then it'll be fired in one session. It'll then be put back into this grid and face mounted, so the installer will be able to stick them on very quickly. Thank you for taking the time to see how this mural is executed. If you're interested in a mural or any other type of custom work, don't hesitate to contact us.